Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today Matt Builds and happy Monday. It's another glorious day. Temperature in here is 23 degrees and it's slowly climbing. And as you can see behind me, I've got the diorama up there now because I needed this area to do Peter's build as well as here. Well, store the boxes and do the build here. But I've got a bit of a problem, you see. Where that shelf was here with them trucks on, I had to take it off because of the trees. So I need to find somewhere to put that now. I've got an idea, put it with them boxes up there, get them boxes down, store them behind my heater and do them when I need it. But there again, those ones are done up there. There's still a few bits to go on that tiger tank, one of the tiger tanks, so because they need painting. I've not had a chance to do any of that. But today, well, yesterday I got my new build, which I'll show you shortly. So I'm going to do an unboxing of the Leopard 2 A6 tank by Tamiya. Let's get started. This is it, Ukraine, that the Germans sent over to them, but I'll be doing it in German colours to go on with the tank transporter. It's 1/35 scale, so the box was a bit battered when I got it yesterday, as you can see. I had to open it to make sure none of the parts were broken, everything is fine. So I'll just get it out because very soon I'll be starting this as well. Not sure when, and I'll probably do it on a live stream, I don't know. Well, that's how that's looking. It's quite a fair size for 1/35, and you even get a figure with it as well. I don't know if you just get one or two, probably just the one, knowing it, but that's looking rather nice. I had to check last night to make sure none of these parts were broke. There's quite a bit of detail on there. I'll just put this to one side. And this part is the turret. Turret section looks pretty mean. Quite a bit of detail on there as well, and as you can see, goes on something like that, I think. Well, I figure, yeah, goes on like that, but doesn't need screwing, so which is a good thing. Actually, I would rather prefer screws, to be honest with you. And the wheels, I'm not taking it out of here because one of the wheels is coming off and I don't want to lose it. Quite a few wheels there on both sprues, and like air ducts there as well. And this one, you get a second figure, as well as some glass, well, clear sprue, and the main cannon. Actually get three figures. Didn't expect that. Well, that's really good, that. Three figures. Looks really neat. Rubber tracks. Excellent. Really good. Better than plastic. But I mean, sometimes these can be a bit of a pain to put together. To go on. Every time I do a video, a helicopter has to fly over. Sorry about that. And then we get these parts here: mesh, rope, what's it's for the wheels, so you don't have to glue them on. That looks good, that looks really neat. And there's something else there I can't quite see. Looks clear. But we'll soon get to that when we start building. And then the hull. Quite a big piece. So we can open it. Might as well leave it out, this packaging, because it's ripping. And there it is. Bit of detail on there. Looks really nice. And the last sprue here with more detail, thin parts. I don't want to get this out, I don't want to snap anything. That's looking good. And the decals, which are Ukraine. I was hoping they might have put some German ones in. But still, I'll still put it on the tank transporter. There we go. Get the instructions, text and tips, colour code. Should be colour, not black and white. Colour coding. And now we go through the instructions. Tells you the history of it. And we start with putting bits on here. Let's just turn this light out. Which one is it? No, that's better. We put everything on here on the hull first to do all the wheels. And then put the track on first as well. Once you've got the wheel on, put the track on, get the top on it, them in, the air filters, tow rope, all of the details. And then attaching the hull parts, attaching the cut tow cables, and attaching gunner's sight, gun barrel, turret assembly, attaching front armour plate, attaching turret parts. Quite a lot of detail going on that turret. And then turret basket. Now that's what the mesh is for. And attaching the loader's hatch, and the loader's hatch closed. Attaching commander's hatch, or you can have it closed, but I'll probably have them open anyway. And then attach the turret and add in a bit more detail there. And that's it, 23 stages. Oh, you even get a sign with it. Yeah, this is just a shame we haven't got the crosses for the German army. And that's it. And all that is in, that's all gibberish to me, it's all Chinese. So that's it for the unboxing. Well guys, I'm looking forward to that one. I'm going to show you how far Peter got with his Apache. I need to have a look, download the instructions off Agora, and see whereabouts he's up to. So if you just bear with me a minute, guys, I'll go with cameras down again and then I'll show you how far he's got. Okay guys, this is how far Peter's got on this one. The rotor, rear rotor, I checked it, it does work. So what I'll show you. Just plug this in here a little touch. And that works nicely. Take the plug out. Get loose that one. And the cockpit. So he's done a good job on this cockpit, considering. But with him having so many seizures, he can't do it anymore now, so that's why he asked me to do it for him. I'll just turn this light out again so you can see it lit up. Which one's this one here? The front. This one here. Bit of a pain to get in. And as you can see, it lit up here. Brilliant. And I'll do the rear. And as you can see, all lit up here. Brilliant. He's actually done a cracking job on that. So is where he's got up to. I've got all the parts except the last two packs, so I'll be making a start on this. I won't be doing it today. There's got to be no build today because I've got a lot to do. Hang on. So as I said, no build today. I've got to put up another shelf underneath that diorama where that tank is. I've got to get all my models back on there, and also put another shelf. Well, that shelf over there, where is it? Yeah, that longer one over there, that's got to go back on the wall somewhere, and God knows where I'm going to put it. I haven't a clue. That's got all my those have my trucks on, and it needs to go on. Needs to go back up. I mean, like I said, I'll probably use that one over there with them boxes on. I'll probably use that for now, and then put them on there. And I was going to do a fourth diorama, but I haven't got the room now. I can't do it because that Tiger tank here, that's got to go on that shelf as well, and like all my other models. But this one up here, I'm going to get all them paints down and to make a mini diorama out of that somehow. I'll have to get some more grass, artificial grass, or I could do it desert sand, but I need to buy some sand and smother it all that in glue and sprinkle the sand on. So guys, that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll be finishing off the Cryos battle tank. This. The painting's done. Well, more or less. Got a majority of it done. And all I've got to do now is put the sides on glue this into position, which this will be going on here when I put that other wheel on, because it fell off, which is a blessing in disguise, so I could get to it. Let's see which way it goes. That goes on the inside. Yeah, so that goes on there like that, so that'll be put onto here somehow. Well, it's fixing it into place, so I can get that finished off. There's still a lot of painting to do on my tanks. Well, at the moment I can't use my spray booth because one of my trucks is in there, the Lady Butterfly and some other stuff. I didn't realise I had that much crap. Actually, not crap, models. And I'm quickly running out of space. But over there, at least now I've got my other workbench ready. This workbench needs tidying up. I need to sort the drawers out in my cabinets so I can put some of this stuff in there that I'm not using at the moment, and some things can get thrown out. But I'm going to look on the internet now to find the Apache helicopter and then download them and store them into my folders. So if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for future videos. Until tomorrow guys, for the Cryos battle tank, you all stay safe, take care, I'll see you then. Bye for now.